Model, 69 plate Vauxhall Vivaro 3100 Sportive 2.0 engine knocking repairs 75 km Euro 6 no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 75,086. MOT, the 22nd of December 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FEU. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows, cruise